Hello and good morning, everyone. This is Adnan Altaf, Manager Research Office, Khan University. Unfortunately, I am unable to make myself to Spain due to my visa issues. But here I am and presenting our presentation, which titled "Building Capacity for Research at an LMIC University: A Success Story." So first, I'll brief some background of the institution. The overview, like the Aga Khan University established in 1983, focuses on serving the developing world. We do have a global presence in six countries, which Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, and UK, which is guided by the principle of ICRA. ICRA means impact, quality, relevance, and access. We do have academic focus, offering programs in nursing, medicine, teacher education, Muslim culture, civilization, and media and communication, both undergraduate and graduate level. We do have a community size of approximately 3,300 students, 800 faculty, and 1,300 staff. Our mission is to aim to deliver high quality programs emphasizing teaching, research, and leadership development. Further, AQ has a strong record in knowledge creation and is evolving with global research priorities. Our focus is on disseminating knowledge in medicine, education, environment, and media while fostering a collaboration research environment. Our 5-year global research strategy emphasizes emerging themes, coordination, and support for new researchers. As we mark ourselves to the 40th anniversary, we aim to expand our international research portfolio and inspire future scientists and educators. So, this is our team who is currently involved in the research operation, which is led by Dr. Salim Virani, our Vice Provost, our Director, Miss Melaine D. Cruz, which is also the co-author for this presentation, myself, Danish Mohammed Amin, Assistant Manager, Research Office, Inara Ahmad, and Nabil Sultan. Further the implementation team of the Pure and he was responsible to manage data migration and from the each department, which is such a big task for a university like us. So the project director, Mr. Irfan Haji, and Muhammad Hayat is our project manager. And due to this, we have successfully implemented Pure in our university. So now I would like to uh, talk more about the implementation of the Pure Management module at the Khan University. So what is Pure Award Management module? Pure Award Management module is basically a research information database, and it's a management system used by universities and research institute to streamline various aspects of the research administration and management. Previously, we utilized PeopleSoft, which only covers the pre-award functions. Before implementing Pure Award Management module, we conducted a survey across departments for the cost benefit analysis and received a positive feedback from nearly all the participants. The key benefits of Pure Award Management is include the comprehensive grant life cycles, which covers from pre-award till the closeout, which we can call the cradle till grave. The central data repository, unlike before when the data was shared via email and remain siloed with department. Pure am creates a centralized repository that supports future research and help researchers for their repository as well. Milestone management, it enhance our ability to track milestones and ensure timely reporting to funding agencies, and this is the most important function so we cannot miss the deadlines. Overall, these improvements will significantly enhance our grant management module processes. Key features and functionalities. centralized monitoring of all the grants from initial to closeout, reporting of all entered content as per the requirement, and this is the most important function, I believe, because we do have a setup of lot of departments, and if they required any reporting, any customized reporting, so they are able to make the report customized and can extract the data in the Excel file and make use of the data analysis with the use of graphs, which is also the facility included within the Pure. So, which is such a great function. Automated workflows for the approval process, like the grant administrator put the data and then department head approves it, then it goes to the supporting unit, and then it has been submitted to the agency with performing the due diligences, proper due diligences, customization of the workflow as per the institution requirement, which I have just said. Actions are being recorded at each level for the transparency, and the documentation repository, which is one of the major function. So, what are the benefits of the implementation? The benefit that it is mentioned in my slide that Pakistan till August 2023, we used the PeopleSoft function for the pre-award and sort spreadsheet and emails, which every document comes to the research office, and then we create a sort document, and then we'll put for the signatures and everything which is in individual mailbox despite of a central repository. And in the post award processes, all was on the PeopleSoft and finance, if any payment, if we need to do if any department would like to have an expense from the grant, then there is a payment request center, which is the another function of the PeopleSoft. So in post award we use that PeopleSoft Finance module. And again, the closeout, we use the spreadsheet and the separate closeout form to perform the closeout. And then similarly, in East Africa and UK, we used these functions. But from September 2023, we used the pure global system from the pre-award to the closeout, which is same for all the regions like Pakistan, East Africa, and UK. So now we can, as an administrative right, we can easily report, and we can see easily that what do we if what we required, as a if some report required by the leadership, so it can be easily watched. So now I'll share the goals and the outcome intended to be achieved by the institution. So Pure AIM is designed to be simple, a turnkey solution, and is user friendly for the research grants management. To be honest, it is the off-the-shelf solution management to complete grant lifecycle for three or four regions: Pakistan, UK, and the East Africa. It captures a wide range research related outcomes, publications, data set, and reporting variables. Pure has a very vibrant user community and innovative new functionalities. The conference which I am currently in presenting, this is the opportunity to meet with a lot of my colleagues, but unfortunately I wasn't able to make myself to Spain. But for sure, the next time I'll be able to network with all my colleagues from all over the world. Pure works on the proven interconnected data module featuring automated data sourcing, the security, and the workflows can be custom uh, defined to track entire funding life cycle, review opportunities. It can be connected with the Elsevier, another product which is funding institutional, and Scopus as well. To move forward, the project strategy and reporting. Project strategy is initiation, planning, execution, and the closure. All phases were subdivided into tasks and the milestones which is needed to be done on the specific dates. Despite several changes in the plan, we were able to deliver project within the time frame allocated. Project reporting, quarterly reports were presented to the URC University Research Council, chaired by the Vice Provost of Research. When we used to uh, when we used to implement the pure at the time of project strategy, so it was not much easier, but it was bit difficult for us to gather and to align overall university department and their heads and the deans. So it was such a big task. So we used to report a monthly project report shared with the project management office as well. Project implementation process, collaboration process with university stakeholder, which I've just mentioned, ensuring the solution meet diverse needs, system customization, user acceptance tests, identifying data to be migrated, which data we need to migrate, because we do have a limited information available from the people sort of related to the pre-award. So which data we need to migrate into the pure, and the data availability and the time of the user. So everything was in our mind, but it's a huge success for us that we were able to make it. uh, and now currently we are almost 1 year old using pure, and a lot of information we do have, which is a central. And in future we will also would like to disseminate information in a uh, depart for the combined department and as a one unit, despite of separate silos working. And then we check the data quality, addressing the reporting needs, and further training and super user conference. In the month of October, we have arranged a super user conference. Our East Africa colleagues came to Pakistan, and we have arranged a 3 full day uh, a seminar or kind of a workshop in which we have disseminate all the information that how it works and what are the benefits of the pure and the implementation of the pure. And we trained to the users as well, and the grant administrator, which is located based in Pakistan, and also who are came which are came from the East Africa, the roles and the user successful implementation, designing effective training program. More than 40 training sessions were conducted globally, super user conference and user feedback sessions, management sessions. And currently we are also providing training in our university that how we can effectively use the pure award management module. And these are some glimpses from the super user conference. The project manager, the vice provost academics, if you can see on the left side of the screen, our director. So we have provided a certificate, internal certificate, to the users to be considered as a super user. So almost one or two representative from each department, so it can be called as a super user. Then he or she can disseminate the information to the grant administrator or the or anyone or any new joiner. So it will be easy for us to disseminate information to those colleagues. And the result, that the data is no longer managed in silos or captured in disparate formats. Data only needs to be entered one, easily retrieved, used across the institution in from the reporting features, accessible to all the stakeholders, allowing real-time access to grant status, milestone reporting, fostering transparency and building trust among the collaborators. The module provides better tracking mechanism for awards, allowing organization to monitor the status of award and compliance. This enhance accountability and the transparency, and they generate accurate and timely report required for audit, funding agencies, and internal purposes. So, in the current slides, you can see the challenges and the mitigations. While using the Pure. It is not easy for us to adopt Pure because it's for the first time we were implementing in LMIC in our university. So it was very difficult, to be honest. And the integration, data integration, was also the another challenge for us. And different organizations have a unique award management processes. This system needs to be customized to meet the specific requirements. Customization is one of the key challenge. Training and support, insufficient training and support for users can lead to errors, and the put the dirty data, which will also be difficult for us to extract. So these are the challenges, but we have fortunately able to mitigate the strategies and able to make it successful in our university through change management and the API, the application programming interface, and the standardized data format to facilitate integration system, data migration system, flexible configuration, provide right to the institution project team to keep monitoring the configuration, and IT administrator can help in making easy for the institution for the implementation. So our IT staff, our resources, and everyone was together to make it possible and make it really wants to make it in our university. The comprehensive training program develop comprehensive training programs for the users and provide ongoing support for address any issues. So thanks to the Elsevier as well. So this is all about. Once again, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you everyone on behalf of our university, our Vice Provost Research, Dr. Virani, our Director, Ms. Melaine D. Cruz, and myself, Adnan Altaf. Hope to see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.
So, as an ex-research administrator, my head hurts when I think about the pain and suffering, what they had to go through to pull together all the forms. And one of the things that I really enjoyed working with AKU about was the fact that they were willing to adopt business process change as part of it, because we know the system is only as good as the processes around the outside of it. And it was when we first started conversations with them, there was very much this challenge around, well, I've got all these forms, and then I'd see some huge forms, and I need this form filled in because this is the form we've always had, sort of mindset. And so we'd say, okay, well, what are you trying to achieve? Where do you really want to take this? And what are the outcome? Well, we just want to make sure that we've ticked all the boxes, that we can release the funds, close the account, or things like that, and all of that. So. And that was just one campus, and then you go to the next campus and you had the same sort of thing, and or next country in this case, and so it was quite a challenge for them to come together. But they've done an absolutely amazing job, and as you can see from the recording, that they seem absolutely very happy with the outcome. So, yeah, I think it's an exciting time. But is anyone have any particular questions that I may or may not be able to answer? Otherwise, I can give you the contact details later on. But yeah, otherwise, we'll draw this to a close.